Today, we're taking a drive through RedPoint in Summerlin to give you a feel for the community and what it has to offer. RedPoint is located in Summerlin, which, if you didn't already know, is ranked #1 for the best neighborhood to live in Las Vegas, as well as ranked #4 in all of the country. RedPoint started developing in 2020. It's located right off the 215 at Far Hills. RedPoint is full of stunning views in every direction, walking trails, parks, and much more. The neighborhoods inside RedPoint are Acadia Ridge, Arches, Carel Cliff, Calana, Crystal Canyon, Kings Canyon, Overlook, and Savannah. Homes selling in RedPoint start around $500,000 and go all the way up to $3 million. Throughout RedPoint, you'll find a variety of parks and walking trails, including a small community park with an outdoor fitness area, playground, and covered seating areas with a barbecue. You also have RedPoint Arroyo Park, RedPoint Paseo Park, and Ridge Pine Park within the village. Near RedPoint also is its own fire station and police command center, so in case of emergencies, you're fully covered. When choosing a home, a lot of buyers have easy freeway access as one of the things that they'd really like to have. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get to the 215 freeway from RedPoint. You're close enough that jumping on the freeway can take less than a minute, but also not right on top of it, causing you to hear traffic noise. Just 1 mile down the freeway is Red Rock Hotel and Casino, which includes a spa, right? There's full of dining and entertainment. There's a resort pool and spa there as well. And just across the street from Red Rock Casino is Canyon Point Shopping Center. Inside Canyon Point, you'll find everything you need, all right? Of course, there's the Costco there, there's Office Depot, Lowe's, several restaurants, and many places to eat and drink. And if that wasn't enough, just half a mile down the road is downtown Summerlin. This is Summerlin's own outdoor shopping mall, and it's filled with everyone's favorites, such as Macy's, Dillard's, H&M, Dave & Buster's, True Fusion, Lululemon. There's an Apple store, Crate & Barrel, Sephora. There's a PGA Superstore, CPK, and so much more. And in the future, they're proposing a large commercial center in RedPoint itself. They describe it as a mini downtown Summerlin, but stay tuned for more information in the future about that. Word on the streets is there's going to be a Target there. At RedPoint, you're just a short drive away from Red Rock Canyon and Calico Basin, but you can enjoy these views from just anywhere around RedPoint too. You're also right down the street from many of the top-rated schools in Las Vegas, and there are community centers full of activities for the whole family. If you're looking to purchase a home within RedPoint, take a look at one of the homes available over here. Call or text the number you see on the screen. I'd be glad to show you around RedPoint.